Hi guys! Welcome back! My name is Macy and I am a full-time reseller. On this channel, I put out reselling content to help you succeed at your reselling business. And in today's video, we are going to talk about my sales from August 30th through September 5th. This is my third what sold video, so does that mean I can now say I make weekly what sold videos? If you enjoy what sold videos, if you enjoy reselling content, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you find at the end of this video you enjoyed it, please give it a like. Okay, I'm gonna jump right into the sales. I'm not gonna tell you about every sale, I'm just gonna tell you about the sales that I made over $15 in profit. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to keep it realistic and tell you about any sales that I did not make very much profit in. And then at the very end, I'm going to tell you about my total, gross sales, and my net. Okay, to kick it off, we have a pair of Halogen pants in a size plus size 24, black dress pants. They sold on Mercari for $35. This was an offer I sent out. And after Mercari fees and shipping, I made $23.75. They only cost me $1. I often go through the dress pants section at Goodwill on Dollar Day and pick out a ton of different dress pants. I'm always looking for plus size dress pants. If they are a nice pair of black dress pants, or if they're a nice material like wool or something, they will sell. Lane Bryant is another good brand for plus size dress pants. Halogen, I believe, is sold at Nordstrom, and they only took 15 days to sell, which is pretty good. Okay, the next item was a PacSun backless dress, purple LA Heart smocked bust in a size small. It sold on Mercari for $21, and after fees and shipping, I made $15.65. This took 192 days to sell. I thought this dress was very pretty and it got a lot of attention. Smocked busts are pretty popular, so definitely use that keyword smocked if ever you see that elastic type pooling all over a certain area of a top. I sold an Anerican Eagle top that had a very similar smocked bust and puff sleeves, and that sold very, very quickly on Mercari for $30, which is a great selling price for an Anerican Eagle top. So keep your eyes out for some nice smocking. The next item was a North Face coat, black raincoat high vent DT. This sold for $45 on Poshmark, and after fees and a shipping discount of $2.12, which means I sent them an offer, I made $33.88. It took 4 days to sell. North Face coats, North Face jackets, if you price them appropriately, will sell very quickly, especially around this time of year and heading into winter. I sold this on consignment. True to my name, I do sell items on consignment for other people in my community, and I get in bags from them. I go through the items, list them up for sale, and when they sell, I get a little piece of profit, and then the rest goes back to them. Okay, the next item to sell was a pair of Hudson jeans in a size 28, dark wash zipper ankle and pockets, skinny. They sold on Poshmark for $36, and after Poshmark fees and a shipping discount of $2.12, I made $26.68. They took 76 days to sell. I paid full price for these at Goodwill because Hudson jeans can do well. They can also sit for a long time, so make sure to look up the style before you purchase them. The next item to sell was a pair of Express pants. They were new with tags, tan striped editor flare in a size 6. They sold on Poshmark for $20, and after Poshmark fees, I made $16. They took 30 days to sell, and this was another Dollar Day find in the dress pants section. Never skip the dress pants section. The next item to sell was a Mountain Hardwear skirt in a size 6, tan khaki A-line hiking skirt. It sold on Poshmark for $19, and after Poshmark fees, I made $61. This was a full price sale, which was pretty exciting, and I've only paid $1 for it. The next item to sell was a LOFT sleeveless dress, navy blue, white pink floral lightweight dress in a size extra small. It sold on Poshmark for $20, and after fees I made $16. This was my own dress. I decided to sell it because it is way too short on me. I'm actually quite tall. I'm 5'9", and sometimes I have a problem with dresses because they can be too short and, you know, show off some stuff I don't want to really be showing off. Alright. The next item to sell was a pair of Two Lips 2 boots in a size 6, purple zip side, fold over high-heeled booties. They sold on Poshmark as part of a bundle for $25.60. And after Poshmark fees, I made $20.48. They took 45 days to sell. These were another Goodwill Dollar Day find for $1. Always check the shoes, and if your Goodwill has Dollar Days, make sure to see if the letter written on the bottom of the shoe or if the tag is the color of the day. I think some people forget about the shoes or don't realize that they also go on sale for $1, because I often find a lot of Dollar Day shoe finds. Booties are a great pickup for this time of year because we're heading into fall. The next item to sell was a pair of American Eagle jeggings, high-rise jegging stretch. They sold on Poshmark for $32, and after fees I made $25.60. They took 29 days to sell. This was another full price sale. I paid full price for them at Goodwill because I knew that they would sell. And you guys will probably hear about American Eagle jeggings selling for me every single what sold because I live in Pittsburgh, PA, which is actually where the American Eagle headquarters is located. I'm not really sure if that plays a part in me finding more American Eagle jeans than in other areas, but I can say that there is a Goodwill directly across the street from the main headquarters office, and I have found some sample jeans in there before, which is kind of cool. The next item to sell was a Free People slip dress, black trapeze, blue floral in a size extra small. This sold on eBay for $39.95. After eBay fees and shipping costs, I made $31.41. It took 67 days to sell. I paid full price for this dress at Goodwill because this style of Free People dress, although very saturated, is very popular. So if you wait it out a little bit, you will get a good price for it. The next item to sell was a Fabletics top, blush pink will wake for brunch tee, kind of fun, in a size extra large. It sold on Poshmark for $27. And after Poshmark fees, I made $21.60. It took 65 days to sell. Would you believe that I sourced this on eBay, of all places? I was just looking for Fabletics for myself and saw this was on auction for $6 with free shipping. So I'm like, I'll take that. Bid on it, I won. And then it took 65 days, but I sold it for pretty good profit. $15.60 in profit. I'll take that all day. Plus, the person had already found the stock photo for me, so I just, you know, took that stock photo and threw it on my listing. Worked out great. The next item and last item on the good list was a Diane Von Furstenberg short sleeve black bodycon dress in a size medium. It sold on Poshmark for $38.75. And after Poshmark fees, I made $31.03. It took 107 days to sell. Again, this sold as part of a bundle, and I found this at the Goodwill bins, and I was very excited. However, it took a very long time to sell. That 107 days isn't quite accurate because I had actually taken the listing down, and then I put it back up later. So it's probably over a year at this point, honestly. The sad thing is that I passed on a Diane Von Furstenberg dress at Goodwill a few weeks ago because I thought about this dress and how long it was taking to sell, but what I realized was that this dress was not the typical Diane Von Furstenberg style, and that's probably why it was taking so long to sell, whereas this other dress was colorful and fun and had a cool print and probably would have done much better. So I am sad that I did not pick that one up. What are you gonna do? I left it for somebody else. Somebody else can find it and celebrate, I guess. Alright, let's move on to my lowest profit sales of this week. The first item was a crossbody purse, white beaded, by a no-name brand. It sold on Mercari for $12, and after Mercari fees and shipping, I made $5.68. It took 293 days to sell. I picked this up based on style. It only cost me $1, but I didn't look at it good enough, I guess, or I'm not really sure what exactly happened, but it had some damage to the bottom corner and there were like some darker beads. I'm not really sure what happened, if some dirt got in there or whatever, but I don't know if it was those factors or the fact that it was a no-name brand or what it was. This purse just took a really long time to sell. I thought it was pretty and I thought it would be good for like to wear with a homecoming dress or prom or any sort of formal occasion. I'm just happy that it sold now. The next item was a Forever 21 blouse, white pin-tucked ruffle cap sleeve top. Sold on eBay for $10.16, and after eBay fees and shipping, I made $5.48. It took 99 days to sell. You're not going to get much for a Forever 21 basic top like this. That's just how it goes. But this was another consignment item, so I didn't have to source it, and I made a little bit of profit, and so did the person I'm consigning for. The next item was a Faded Glory baby onesie, fleece hooded zip striped bodysuit. It sold on Poshmark for $8, and after Poshmark fees, I made $5.05. It took 396 days to sell. I typically take items down after a full year, but apparently I wanted to see if this one would sell a little bit since we're heading into fall and winter time again. And it did, but of course I didn't make that much, and neither did the person that I'm consigning this for. The next item was a Knox rose top, blouse purple, new with tags. It sold on eBay for $10.16, and after eBay fees and shipping, I made $4.84. It took 190 days to sell. This top got a lot of attention and it's new with tags and it's really cute, so I thought it might do okay. But Knox Rose is sold at Target and it's just not that expensive to begin with, so people didn't want to pay that much for it. And so I was holding out to try to get some money for it, but it just wasn't happening, so I ended up selling it for, you know, probably what it's worth, honestly. The next item is a pair of Harper bottom shorts, jeans embroidered floral mid-rise in a size 26. They sold on Mercari for $10, and after Mercari fees and shipping, I made $5.75. They took 453 days to sell. Yeah. I was really hoping they would sell this summer since they didn't sell last summer. I thought they were cute, you know, a little embroidery. Harper is a Francesca's collection brand, which is always not going to bring in much money just because you can get it pretty cheap to begin with, and it's very saturated. A lot of people are selling Francesca's stuff. I got these at Plato's Closet on their 90% off sale for $1. The next item to sell was a Gap flannel top, gold navy plaid button down in a size small. It sold on Mercari for $10, and after fees and shipping, I made $3.54. This was another consignment item, and I could not figure out for the life of me if it was for men or for women, so I listed it as unisex, which is always not going to be a good idea. People aren't typically searching for unisex, but I don't know. It wasn't worth that much to begin with, so I'm happy with the amount that I got, and the person I'm consigning for made a little bit. The next item was a Gilly Hicks sweater, blue heathered long sleeve cropped soft top. Sold on eBay for $11, and after fees and shipping, I made $5.65. It took 152 days to sell. I thought that I could get a little bit more for this because crop sweaters are kind of popular right now, but Gilly Hicks is a Hollister brand. That means it was not very expensive to begin with. The last item on the bad list was a Forever 21 sweater, tan with black stripes, medium knit. Sold on Poshmark for $6.45, and after fees I made $5.16. It took 132 days to sell. This was sourced at the beginning of summer, so I'm not really surprised that it took until now to sell, because this is the time of year that sweaters are going to be selling. It sold as part of a bundle. I only paid $1 for it. I bought it as part of a mystery box with a bunch of other Forever 21 and H&M basics. I didn't know that it was going to be all basic items, but that's what it ended up being. This top was very soft, so I think that this person is going to be pleasantly surprised with this sweater. Okay, let's get into my totals. For this week, my total sales were $1,089. And after Poshmark fees, eBay fees, Mercari fees, shipping costs, and my cost of goods, I made $576. This is still lower than what I shoot for every week. I aim for $100 a day in profit, which would be $700 for the week, but that's okay. Honestly, I've been very unmotivated to list lately, and if you don't list a lot, you're not going to sell a lot. So if you want to bring your sales up, get more items listed. That is very much the key. So that's what I'm going to focus on after I'm done with this video, and that's what I suggest you guys focus on too. Let me know in the comments how your sales have been for this week, and I hope that September is off to a great start for you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Have a wonderful rest of your day, everybody. Bye!